Guys, today we talk about how can you sign out of your account on your Hotels.com app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. You just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to sign out here. It's going to show for you here in this list. So then you just click here on sign out here. Then it's going to take you out of your account on your Hotels.com app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.